Hello everyone, I just bought this new Revo day before yesterday. Everything is fine in the car except for the steering servo. It started making some kind of noise. So it's like this. So on this side it's working fine, but when you turn, see, this is the noise, and then it's turning, and so I don't know what's happening, what's going on. So please help me with this thing. Everything else is fine. The car is all stock. I'm just having an issue with this thing, so just help me with this, please. Thank you very much. Waiting for the comments.